Standard 5 Math Magic Workbook. Chapter number 11 Area and its Boundary, page number 144. Question number 1. State which shape has more area from the following pair of shapes. Find its area. A and B, here A and B are given and its sides measure also given. This is the square and this is the rectangle. 6 by 6 and this one the 7 by 6 centimeter. Which one has the more area? So first we will find the area of them. Area is equal to length into breadth, but this one is the square. So L square or L into L you can write. So 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36 and unit of area is square centimeter. Area of B. So area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length 7 and breadth 6. So 7 6 are 42 square centimeter. Okay. So its area is 36 and its area is 42 square centimeter. So which one has more area? B. Figure B has the more area. So here this one has the more area. Downside, two number A and B, two pairs are given. Find the area of first A. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 8 multiplied by 5. So 8 5s are 40 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of this figure B. Length multiplied by breadth. 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36 square centimeter. Which one has more area? Obviously this A. This A has more area than the B. Number 3, 7 by 7. So this is the square. So area of a square is equal to length into length. Otherwise length square. 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49 square centimeter. Now area of this figure. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length is equal to how much? It is 8 centimeter and breadth 6. 8 6 are 48 square centimeter. Which one has more area? This figure A has more area. Number 4. Two figures are here. Okay. So first figure, area is equal to length into breadth. So 11 into 3. 11 3s are 33 square centimeter. Now we will find the area of figure B. Area is equal to length into breadth is equal to 17 multiplied by 2. 17 2s are 34 square centimeter. Which one has more area? Figure B has more area. Question number 2. Do as directed. Measure of the given ticket is 2 by 2 centimeter. This rectangle is here and in this rectangle one ticket is given and what is its measure? 2 by 2 centimeter means उसकी length and breadth 2 centimeter है. So what is its area? इस टिकट की एरिया है 2 into 2 4 square centimeter. Let's find the length of this rectangle. So length of this rectangle is 12 square centimeter. Length कितनी है? 12 centimeter. And breadth, what is 8? It is 8 centimeter. Now we will solve the questions. One number. How many stems having measurement of 4 by 4 centimeter would be needed to cover this rectangle? Here it is given 2 by 2 centimeter. What they are asking? They are asking for 4 by 4 centimeter. The stem's measure is 4 by 4 centimeter. So it is the square. So first what we will do? We will find the area of this stem. So the area of this stem is 4. Area of stem is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 square centimeter. And another thing, we have to stick these stems on this rectangle. So we have to find the area of this rectangle also. So area of rectangle is equal to 12 into 8. 12 multiplied by 8. So 12 8s are 96 square centimeter. Now what we have to do? We found the area of both stem and rectangle. Now what they are asking? How many stems having measurement of 4 by 4 centimeter would be needed to cover this rectangle? एक स्टेम का एरिया दिया है. वी फाउंड एरिया ऑफ वन स्टेम. वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट नंबर ऑफ स्टेम. कितने स्टेम्स चाहिए? सो फॉर दैट फॉर 116 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में एक स्टेम स्टिक कर सकते हैं. इतने एरिया में एक स्टेम है. देयरफॉर वी हैव हाउ मच एरिया? 96 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ऑफ एरिया. उतने कितने स्टेम्स फिक्स कर सकेंगे? सो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ? रेसिप्रोकल 96 बाय 16. सो 16 के टेबल में 96 कब आता है? 16 6 and 96. So how many stems? 6 stems we need to cover the rectangle. Number 2, how many stems having measurement of 2 by 3 centimeter would be needed to cover this rectangle? Same thing we will do, but instead of 4 by 4 we have to find the area of stem having measurement 2 by 3 centimeter. So short में कर देंगे. stem का एरिया है 2 by 3 is equal to 6 square centimeter, and we know the area of this one, area of rectangle, is 96 square centimeter. So what we will do? That 6 square centimeter में एक स्टेम आता है. Therefore 96 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में कितने स्टेम्स आएंगे? So 96 up, 6 down. Now you can divide. So 16 6 and 96. 16 6 and 96. 16 stems we can fix here with the measurement of 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, 4 by 4 का स्टैम्प है तो 6 स्टिक कर सकते हैं, एंड 2 by 3 का स्टैम्प है, देन वी कैन फिक्स 16 स्टैम्प्स. नाउ सेम क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी स्टैम्प्स हैविंग मेजरमेंट ऑफ 4 by 3 centimeter would be needed to cover this rectangle? Okay, we have to find the area of this stems. So stem का एरिया कितना है? 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12 square centimeter. So now we have to fix the stems. So 12 square centimeter में एक stem, one stem we can fix. Therefore we have 96 square centimeter area. So in this area how many stems we can fix? So 96 up, 12 down. रेसिप्रोकल किया. 12 के टेबल में 96 कब आता है? 12 8s are 96. So 8 stems can cover the rectangle. So same method in 3 sums, but only the area of stem is different. So number of stem also different. Now question number 3. Find the area of following shapes. Each square of the graph paper has a length of 1 by 1 centimeter and a breadth of 1 centimeter. Now how to find the area? In this figure shaded line colored color box we have to count complete square. Complete यानी कि पूरा कलर है complete. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 like that. Complete square. How many? 37. तो complete है that we will count 37 only. Then half square. Half means square है. If we have square उसमें half part cover होता है, then we will count it half square. And more than half यहाँ नहीं है, more than half, so like this, half से भी ज़्यादा shaded है, then more than half, okay, that we will count 1. Half we will count half only, divide by 2. So here complete square 37 है, half square we have 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So half है, that is why 8 divided by 2. Okay, so 4. 2 4s are 8 and more than half नहीं है. And at last simple करना है सबका addition. 37 plus 4 41. So area of this figure is 41. Number 1 we will solve here complete square. Complete square, let's count 1 2 3 4 5. बाकी कोई complete है? नहीं है. So number of square that we will write here. Complete square how many? 5. Half square. Half square it is more than half. Half नहीं है. Okay, these two only half. We can say these two. So 2 are half. And more than half square. Half से भी ज़्यादा. This one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. More than half 8. Now what to do? Complete area of complete square 5. But area of half square 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And 8 का 8 ही है. So total करो. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 8 14. So इसके what is the area of this figure? 14 square centimeter. 14 square unit. Now let's find the area of this number 2. Complete square, very simple. Complete square, let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So complete square 22. Half square 1 2 3 4. Half square only 4. More than half नहीं है. So area of square unit complete का तो complete वही का वही, but 4 है. So that half square को क्या करना है? Divide by 2. So 4 divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. And more than half नहीं है. So total करो. 2 plus 2 4 and 2. Area of this figure is 24. Now this one. Complete square, let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So write complete square 16 and उसका area भी 16. Okay. Half square 1 2 3 4 5 6. Half square 6. And more than half 1 2. 1 and 2 only. half से भी ज़्यादा 2 है. लेस देन हाफ नहीं काउंट करेंगे. दिस वन यू कैन सी बहुत कम पार्ट शेड है, सो दैट वी विल नॉट काउंट. नाउ लेट्स सी हाफ है उसको क्या करना है? डिवाइड बाई 2. सो 2 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 2 3s are 6 and 2 that we will write as a 2. 6 plus 3 9, then 10 and 11. So 1 plus 1 2 21. So like this you can count in your workbook and find the area of the given figure. Next page, question number 4. Find the area of the following shapes. Okay. Here directly we will write more than 1, that we will count 1 only, like this. This one is more than 1, more than 1. More than 1 that we will count, and less than 1 we will not count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what is the area of this figure? 18 square unit or 18 square centimeter. This one. Let's find the full complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So complete square that we will write 13 plus half square. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 divided by 2. Okay. Once again half square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is equal to, what is the answer? 6 divided by 2. Divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. So 13 plus 3, 16. So area of this figure is 16 square unit. Number 3. We will count the complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Complete square 22 plus half square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Half square 8. Half square है, so you have to divide it by 2. More than half नहीं है, so that we will not write. So divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8. So 12 plus 4, 60, 26. 26 square unit. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 complete square. Now we will count the half square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by 2. Half count karo, so suddenly divide it by 2. More than half is not given. 2 4s are 8. So 12 plus 4, 12 say 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 square unit. Let's count the area of this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Complete square 9. Half square let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 9 plus 2, 11 square unit. So like this, students, find the area of this given figure in your workbook. Question number 5. Find the perimeter of the following figure. Now for perimeter, what we have to do? Border means addition. Perimeter के लिए क्या करना है? Add करना है. We will add 2, 2, 2, 2. Square is given. Okay. Perimeter का स्क्वायर दिया है. सिंपल है. क्या करना है? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So what is the answer? 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 centimeter. Number 2. We'll start from here. 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12. So perimeter of this one is 12 centimeter. 3 number triangle. We'll start from here. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9 centimeter. 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9. Now we will find the perimeter of this one. We'll start from here. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, 2 आ गया. 3 3 2. Now let's add 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10 centimeter. Number 5, it is the square 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so short you can do 4 multiplied by 3. Why? Because perimeter of a square is equal to 4L, 4 into length. Okay, why 4N? Because square has 4 sides. This way also you can do, or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So what is the total of this one? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 centimeter. Number 6. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. It's very simple. You have to add only. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 10, 20 centimeter. Next, question number 6. Find the perimeter of the following figure. We have to find the perimeter, not area. Okay. For perimeter, what we will find? The length of the side. Length of the side. And it is given here, each square of the graph paper has a length of 1 centimeter and breadth of 1 centimeter. So for perimeter, we will find the length of all sides. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First write the length of all sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is 4. Now it is simple. What to do for find the perimeter? 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 centimeter. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So सामने भी 7. Opposite sides are same. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And then you do the addition. Directly also you can do 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 2. 14 say 15, 16, 17 and 18. So directly you can write 18 centimeter. Now here how to do? Let's try here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this side. 1 and 2 this side. 1 and 2. Then here 1 centimeter. Here 1. Here also 1. 1 and 2 of this side. 1 and 2. Now let's do addition. 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Once again 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. So the perimeter of this one is 16 centimeter. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. This one, first we will write the length. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. First write the length of all the side, then start writing 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, all can 3, 2, 2, 4, 7, 4, 2 and 2, and then do the addition. In total of this one is 26 centimeter. Find number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1 and 2. Here 1, 2. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Then start here 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Okay? Don't forget any number, otherwise your sum will be wrong. Okay? Now let's do the addition. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 centimeter. Question number 7. Answer the following questions on the basis of different figures given below in the graph paper. Now first one, what is the perimeter of figure A? Figure A is here. So to find out the perimeter, just now we did. First we will write the length of all the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the perimeter of figure A? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 and 4, 16. 9, 18. 18 centimeter. What is the perimeter of figure D? Figure D is here. So we will find the perimeter. Directly we will start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So write here 14. Number 3. Which two figures have the same perimeter? So first what we have to do? We have to find the perimeter of every figure. So let's do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. इसका 16 है. यहाँ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. इसका perimeter 20 है. And this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. And this one is 14. So which two figures have the same perimeter? Figure A and figure E. So write A and E. Number 4. Which figure has the highest perimeter? Highest perimeter. सबसे ज़्यादा perimeter 20. So which one it is? C. Figure C. Right here answer C. Which figure has the least perimeter? Least means कम से कम. Which one? It is D. Right here in D. What is the area of figure E? Figure E, we have to find its area, and to find its area, what we will count? We will count this all square. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3. 6 3s are 18. Simple है. 18 length and breadth count करो. So 18 square centimeter. What is the area of figure A? Area of figure A. Simple है. 5 and 4. So 5 4s are 20. So area of figure A is 20. Which figure has the highest area? So first we have to find the area of all figure. This one 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. The area of this figure is 21. Area of this figure is 20. Area of this figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Area of this figure is 18. And here 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3s are 15. So circle में सभी figure का area है. I wrote the area of all figure. So which figure has the highest area? कौन से figure का highest area है? Figure C, and it is 21. And which figure has the least area? Which figure? Figure D has the least area 12.